In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an experience on Airbnb. Whether you're an art aficionado eager to share your craft or a local historian looking to bring your city's stories to life, hosting an experience on Airbnb is an excellent way to connect with travelers and locals alike. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Airbnb's website. If you're using a computer, simply type airbnb.com into the address bar and hit enter. On a mobile device, you can use the Airbnb app if you have it installed. Once you're there, you'll find yourself surrounded by a vibrant blend of colors and enticing images of potential travel destinations ready to be explored. Next, let's log in. In the top right corner of the homepage, there's a button labeled Log In. Click on that and continue with your preferred method. You might use your email and password, or perhaps you've linked your Google or Facebook account for a faster process. If you're not yet signed up, take a moment to create an account. After you're successfully logged in, turn your attention to the top of the page and click the Host button. This is your gateway to begin crafting a memorable experience for your future guests. Once you click Host, a drop-down menu will appear. Choose Experiences. This is where you'll start defining what unique offering you can provide to your guests. Now it's time to describe your activity. This is your chance to captivate potential guests with a compelling narrative about what makes your experience truly unique. Think about the skills you'll share, the stories you'll tell, and the connections guests will make. Be descriptive yet concise, allowing your passion for what you're offering to shine through. Once your narrative is ready, add details such as the location, time, and the number of participants you can accommodate. This ensures your guests have all the logistical information they need to join your experience. Next, you'll want to upload captivating photos that represent the essence of your activity. Consider using high-resolution images that convey the energy and atmosphere of what participants can expect. Since photos greatly influence a guest's decision, make each one count. After your images are uploaded, set a competitive price that matches both your skills and market demand. Remember, pricing can influence perception, so think carefully about what your experience is worth. Before we wrap up, ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, submit your experience for Airbnb's review. This step is crucial as it ensures the quality standards set by Airbnb are met, helping you gain the trust of potential guests. Finally, after your submission is approved, you're ready to start hosting. Be prepared to embark on a journey of meeting new people and sharing unforgettable moments. Good luck with your hosting endeavors, and may your experience thrive on Airbnb.